Alright, so as much as I tried to avoid the machine shop, we still need to get these rings gapped. I've got the motor in the back of my truck, and we're gonna bring it over to the same machine shop that took care of us last time. They're gonna gap our rings properly, and then we'll get to reassembling this. Alright, rotating assembly is now all together. This is the second time doing this. The chamfers were facing a certain direction. If you look down here on the crankshaft, the chamfer of the connecting rod needs to be facing out. And what we did was we were so focused on getting the orientation of the piston and the rod right that we had the chamfers essentially facing in. And when you do that, they collide with each other and it makes it very hard to rotate the assembly. So something didn't feel right when we were putting it together, but look at that. Spins over nicely, flip this thing over. You got the cam in, crank in. The stroker kit is now installed. The next thing is putting the head gasket on, slapping on the heads, getting this thing back together, put it in this car. What is it, April 8th right now? 9th. It's the 9th, it's April 9th. Oh, April 22nd is our first competition of the year. Oh, I have this stupid chain on. You didn't even say anything.
I thought it looked good. Keep talking, it's your face.
That feels much better. All right. Mets game later tonight. Wanted to grab a couple beers and...
Yeah, with my mom?
Yeah, we figured we'd take you out.
Are you my new fucking dad?
Yeah.
You gonna buy me some shit then? Sponsor my car.
What?
Sponsor my car.
Hell no.
I told you, it's cheap.
Want to see the most glorious thing you've ever seen in your life?
America.
Yeah,
America.
We've run into a couple issues because we were sent 5 right pistons and 3 left pistons. And so every day we run into like a new little hiccup or there's a variable that comes into play, it just kind of extends this further and further. And again, our deadline is April 22nd. Austin's bike. How did it go today?
Good. I mean, besides the struggle with figuring that out.
Yeah,
we got the head on.
Lots of up and down conversation about what to do and anxiety of having to tear the bottom end apart for the 3rd time. First time we put it all together, Ted and I put the rods in opposite. So the chamfers were actually facing each other, creating a lot of resistance when we were trying to turn the crank over. And then
But it was caught.
we figured out why we were having issues. But everything's done up till as far as we can really go right now. And but yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment. What else?
Like and subscribe, dude.
Like and subscribe.
Get him a straw. Get him a straw.
Cheers, America.